Hi everyone. Welcome to all of you. In today's video, do you want to know about Ulti Charge reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. If you're going to buy this product, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this product, or if you have not received the product, or got a damaged product, then please, watch this video till the end to find out how to get your money back. Also, people from the United States are very curious to know about this product. So today in this video we will provide you with a complete information of this product. So stay tuned with us till the end, to know about the full details. Now we will check the product type. So this is the product guys here, as you can see. After checking this product we have found out that this product is a charger for your smartphone and other devices 4x faster. And the cost is around $30 in many websites. So this is a phone and other devices fast charger with 4 ports. It is also QC 3.0 technology, is 4 times faster, go from 0% to 70% in 35 minutes. It can charge all of your devices at once. And this is intelligent current recognition, ensures your devices won't overheat, overcharge, or short circuit. If it's real, so why they follow eat yourself before somebody eats you? Why there is many websites for the same product with other names? They have the same pictures, same customers' reviews or comments. If it's real, so why this device has 1 port with color and the other 3 ports with another color, while the set you can use the 4 ports at the same time? Also, if it's real, why they use the same location address for American Cargo Express? This product seems like a fake product. Though there are some reviews available in this website, but we cannot take it into consideration. It doesn't have social media presence. So it seems like a fake product, but we also recommend you to make your right decision after exploring well. So if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We like reading all your comments, and that's all for today's video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And have a nice day.